You are not ready for what you're about to see. This Labrador has not been properly groomed in over 10 years, and it shows. Her fur is packed, tangled, and holding on to years of dirt and shedding. You can barely see her eyes, and you can't even tell where her body shape begins. But look at her. She's still calm, still trusting, still so incredibly gentle. Most people would think the only option is to shave everything off. And honestly, we weren't sure what we'd find under all this fur either. There are tight mats behind the ears, thick compaction along the body, and layers of loose coat that haven't moved in years. But through it all, she stands still, like she knows this is finally her moment. Then comes the bath, and another bath, and then the dryer. That's when it really starts to change. Fur flying everywhere, years of trapped hair finally releasing, and slowly you can see her again. Her face comes back, her posture changes, her confidence starts to shine through. This is why grooming matters, not just for looks, but for comfort, for health, and for dignity. From heavy, matted, and uncomfortable to clean, fluffy, and finally able to move freely.